This is an exponential equation because your variable is in the exponent and I want to try to get to that x. The first thing I should do is divide both sides by 3, and that's just going to be 8/3. And now let's subtract 7 from both sides. It's negative 2 to the 4x minus 6 equal 8/3 minus 7. 8/3 minus 7 over 1. 8/3 minus, it's going to be 21. So 8 minus 21 is negative 13/3. All right, so I've got negative 2, 4x minus 6 equal negative 13/3. And let's divide both sides or multiply both sides by negative 1 to get rid of that negative. And now let's take the ln or log of both sides. It doesn't matter. Ln of 2 to the 4x minus 6 equal ln of 13/3. And now let's now use that property where you can bring down the exponent down in front of the ln. So that's going to be 4x minus 6 times ln of 2 equal ln of 13/3. Then I think I would just divide both sides by ln of 2. That's 4x minus 6 equal ln of 13/3 divided by ln of 2. And now I'm going to add 6 to both sides. I'm going to move up here. And that's going to be 4x equal ln of 13/3 divided by ln of 2 plus 6. And I know you may be wondering why I'm not using my calculator, but I don't want to use a rounded number in a calculation, so I'm just leaving everything as it is, and then I'll do it just turns into a calculator problem in a minute. Let's divide both sides by 4. Dividing both sides by 4 is the same thing as multiplying by 1/4. So those 4's cancel, and I'm left with x equal 1/4 times ln of 13/3 over ln of 2 plus 6. So I'm just going to use my calculator now. I have a TI-84. I don't know what you have. I'm going to do ln of 13 divided by 3. And I'm going to divide that by ln of 2. I'm going to add 6 plus 6. And now I'm going to multiply by 0.25 or divide by 4. It doesn't matter which way you think about it. And that gives me x equals 2.02. It wants me to round how many places? 4 places. 2.0289.